David R. here. Today I'm going to talk to you about this book, Rhythms of Renewal, Trading Stress and Anxiety for a Life of Peace and Purpose by REBEKAH Lyons. Now this book is divided into 4 parts: rest rhythm, restore rhythm, connect rhythm, and create rhythm. At the end of each chapter are 3 questions known as reflection questions. They are related to the chapter that you just read. So let's get started. Rest rhythm. Take inventory of your life. Ask yourself, where is God leading me? What new people has He placed in my path? Tech detox. Do a social media fast. It will slow you down and allow you to be present. Get quiet. Get comfortable with yourself. Be alone with your thoughts, hopes, dreams. Do the heart work. Confess your sins to God. You cannot heal what is hidden. Bring it into the light. Count sheep. Getting enough sleep is critical if we hope to experience emotional and mental health. Morning routine. A morning routine sets the framework for our day. Stop the work. We must Sabbath. In other words, we need a day of rest. Restore rhythm. Permission to play. You need to make space for play. Play tennis. Play frisbee. Do something fun. Eat smart. Make a meal plan. Replace harmful foods with healthier eating plans. Know your identity. Labels are powerful things that can make us misconstrue our identities. Take a walk. Walking is critical for restoration of our mental health, creativity, and productivity. Seek adventure. Anything can be made into an adventure. Visit an art gallery or do something else. Break a sweat. Do some kind of exercise. Brisk walk, jog, raise your heart rate. Push yourself. Pushing ourselves helps break the monotony of an otherwise mundane routine. Connect rhythm. Be the friend you wish to have. This will help you cultivate deep friendships, friendships covered with grace. Lead with vulnerability. When we experience a deep connection, we are healthier and more confident. Open porch policy. A culture of hospitality creates community and a connection with family and friends. Bear each other's burdens. People were meant to encourage and be the church of healing for one another. Hugs all around. All of us need physical touch. When we hug, we reduce anxiety and stress. Marriage retreat. Love the one you're with. Men need respect and women need love. Apologize first. Forgiveness lowers blood pressure, stress, and anxiety. Create rhythm. Dream again. Find meaning and pursue your dreams and to help others find their meaning. Recover your passion. Clear the weeds that are choking your passion. Work with your hands. Get a sewing machine. Make clothes. Bake a cake. Learn something new. Take a class. Expand your thinking and creativity. Make a memory. Cultivate and create memories. To-do lists don't create memories. Take care of something. Raise a dozen hens. Say yes. In conclusion, live these blessed rhythms to rest, restore, connect, and create. Cultivate the vibrant life you were meant to live. When we walk in confidence with our unique gifts, we can become the carriers of peace our world longs to see.